can see here the equivalent fractions and the standard form of the fractions. How to find out the equivalent fractions and how to reduce the fraction into the standard form. Let me see here that one by one. If suppose the number is 3 upon 4 it is. So what are the equivalent fractions of the 3 upon 4? So let me see here, that is you have to multiply. You have to multiply 3 upon 4 by any of the numbers. But the numerator and the denominator you have to take the same numbers. We can see here, that is we are going to multiply here the numerator with 3, then denominator also multiply with 3. You will get the equivalent fraction, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. And also we can multiply this 3 upon 4 with 5 upon 5. So I will get that fraction, it is 3 upon 5. Sorry, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so in this way we have to find out the equivalent fractions. Next two questions I am going to take here, that is the 7 upon 9 it is. And now here the numbers are 36 is here, so what will comes in the place of the box? What will comes in this box place? Let me see here that 9 how much are 36 is there? 9 4s are 36 it is. 9 4s are 36. So if you are multiplying this 9 with 4, then which numbers we have to multiply with this 7? Next, if you are multiplying with 4 with the 9, so also we have to multiply this 7 with the 4. Because here the condition is that for the equivalent fractions, the numerator and the denominator should be same. So here we get that 9 4s are 36, then 7 4s are 28. So in this way we have to find out the equivalent fractions. Next we can see the standard form of the fractions. Next one it is the standard form of the fractions. So here we can check here, the first question we can take here, the 36 upon 24 it is. 36 upon 24. So here the question 36 upon 24 is not in standard form. Standard form is nothing but, we can say here, the simplest form. The simplest form. It means that the numbers which cannot be further divided by any of the numbers. So here the 36 and the 24. This 36 and 24 is divisible by any one of the numbers. The both two are the even numbers. So these two are divisible by 2. And let me try here whether these two numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Yes, these two numbers are also divisible by 3. So the next we can check here, is these two numbers also divisible by 4? 4 9s are 36 and 4 6 are 24. And also these two numbers is divisible by 6 and 6. 6 6 are 36 and 6 4s are 24. And also these two numbers are divisible by 12. That is 12 3s are 36 and 12 4s are 24. If you are getting confusion कि किस नंबर से इनको डिवाइड करना है, जो आपके माइंड में सबसे पहले आता है उससे डिवाइड कर लो. Then we can check here, that is we have to divide with 2 upon 2, because 2 upon 2 you know that these two numbers are the even numbers. So we have to divide with 2. नहीं तो ज़्यादा confusion आपको create हो सकती है. Let we can divide here that. So here 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, it is 16. So 2 8s are 16 here. So then next one, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4 it is. So 18 divided by 12. 18 divided by 12, it is not the simplest form. These two numbers are again even numbers, so it will be further divided. So we can divide again by 2 and 2. 2 divided by 2. We can see what the numbers will get that. So here 2 9s are 18 and 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18 and the 2 6 are 12. So here 9 and the 6. 9 is not the even numbers but 6 is even numbers. But 6 and 9 comes in the 3's table. We can see here that 9 upon 6. So these two are again divisible by 3. So we can divide with 3 by 3. We can see here that 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So what is the simplest form or standard form of the 36 upon 24 it is? We'll see that the 3 upon 2 is the standard form of 36 and the 24. And also we can take one more number, that is the 45 upon the 30. Next we can take here the number 45 upon 30. So here we can see that again these two numbers are divisible by 5. So we can divide these two numbers with 5. Okay. So what we will get the answer? These numbers again divisible further. We can see here whether it divisible further or not. Here 5 9s are 45 and 5 6 are 30. So again 9 upon 6 came. So what we can do here, that these two are in 3's table. So we can divide with 3 3. So we'll get that 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So what is the standard form of 45 upon 30 it is? The standard form of 45 upon 30 is 3 upon 2. So in this way we have to find out the equivalent fractions and the standard form or simplest form of the fractions. Okay. The next we can see here it is the comparing fractions and also the arrangement of fractions. How to arrange the fractions in ascending order and also in descending order. Let me see here that one by one, that is comparing fractions. How to compare the fractions. So let me see here, if we have two fractions, that is the 3 upon 4 and another fraction, that is 2 upon 3. So how to compare these fractions? As we know, comparing the numbers you know very well. Comparing the whole numbers or natural numbers you know very well. But here to compare the fractions, we can see here how to compare it. So just there are many methods were there. Among them, just in short, and I'll give you one of the simple method that you just can cross multiply these two. Cross multiply. That we can see here that the 3 and 3 are, you just have to cross multiply here. 3 multiplied to 3. 3 multiplied to 3. And again you have to cross multiply here, that is 4 multiplied with 2. So here that is 3 3s are 9 and 4 2s are 8. Now we can compare here the which number is bigger here. 9 is bigger and 8 is smaller. So we can write in this way. So the fraction also you can write that 3 upon 4 is bigger than 2 upon 3. So in this way we have to compare the fractions. So next one more example we can take, that is 13 upon 5 and here 18 upon 7 it is. So we can compare here the fractions, that is you have to cross multiply here. 13 7s are 91 and here 18 5s are 90. So which is the bigger fraction here, that is 91 is bigger, so we have to write in this way. Okay, so in the same case we have to arrange the fractions in ascending or descending order. We can see here the fractions are 3 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 8 upon 5 is there, and again 4 upon 5. These are the 4 fraction numbers are there, and the denominators of all the fractions are 5 only, means same only. So we can see here that how to arrange the fractions in ascending orders. At first one we are going to see here it is ascending order. So here the smallest number is ascending order, means the numbers can be arranged from smallest to biggest. So here we can see that the smaller number is 3, so 3 upon 5 will be the first number, the smallest number. And then next one we can see here, that is the 4 upon 5 it is. And also 7 upon 5 and the 8 upon 5 we have to write. We have arranged all the fractions in ascending orders. So you also have to arrange this fraction in descending orders. How to arrange the descending orders? Descending orders, it means that the arrangement of numbers from biggest to smallest numbers. So the 8 upon 5 is the biggest fraction, and then 7 upon 5, then 4 upon 5, and the smallest fraction is that 3 upon 5. So in this way we have to arrange the fractions in ascending and the descending orders when the denominators are like or same. If suppose in some cases the denominators are different, during that time what we have to do, we can see. If suppose the number is 3 upon 7, 5 upon 3, 8 upon 5. If suppose the numbers are 3 upon 5, 5 upon 7 and the 8 upon 5. How to arrange? Now the denominators are different. So now we can see here how to arrange the fractions in different orders, in ascending and the descending orders. We know that there are many types of methods. We have to use among them any one which is suitable to us. We can see here that is 5, 3 and 7, 3 and 5. First method we have to do here, it is to find out the LCM of 7, 3 and 5 and convert into the equivalent fractions and arrange the fractions in the above we have done. And another method we have, and we know here, that is we have to divide directly the 3 upon 7. It means that the 3 is divided by 7. Okay, so 3 is the smaller as compared with 7, so we just have to put the point and take 0 here. So we can see here it is 7 4s are 28. We have to subtract here, that is the 2 remainder remains. Remainder is 2 remains. Next we can again divide 5. So that is 3 divided by 5. So here 3 ones are 3, we can take, the remainder remains again 2 here. Okay, and also we have to divide this 8 upon 5. Next one, it is 5 divided by 8 divided by 5. We can see here it is 5 ones are 5 and the remainder is 3 remains. As we know that here, and next we can see here that is for 3, just put the point and take 0. Then 3 6 are 18 and again remainder remains 2. But here we just can put the point, take 0. Here 5 6 are 30 again. But here there is no remainder. Okay, so now we can arrange all these fractions in a ascending or descending orders. How to arrange? We can see here it is. The first one is 0.4, it's 1.6 and 1.6. Here the denominator remains. It means that we can further divide and we will get here, that is again 6. So that is 1.66, 0.4 and 1.6. So here the smallest number it is the 0.4, that is 3 upon 7 is the smallest number. Okay, so then next one we can see here that it is 1.6 and it is 1.6666, again it is further continues. So here 1.6 is the smallest number, that is 8 upon 5. And the biggest number is that last one remains, it is 5 upon 3. So we have to write as it is. So the next one, descending orders, you know that the biggest number write at first and then the smaller and then the smallest number. So in this way we have to find out, we have to compare the fractions and also arrange the fractions in ascending and descending orders. Okay.